welcome to this next video on calculus of variation questions. So let us get started with question from December 2018 consisting of 4.75 marks. The question is, the extremal of this functional integration from 0 to 1 720x square y minus y double dash square dx subject to these given conditions: y at 0 is equivalent to y dash at 0 is equal to y at 1 is equal to 0 and y dash at 1 is equal to 6 are which of these? So we need to tell what is the extremal corresponding to the given functional out of these four, right? So here what is different in this question is that it contains higher order derivatives. You can see that y double dash is appearing here. So the Euler-Lagrange equation in that case is slightly modified. It has the form, say x is the independent variable and y is the dependent variable. Then it has a form f of y minus d dx of fy dash plus d2 by dx square of fy double dash minus so on up to minus 1 raised to power n d power n by dx power n y the partial derivative of f with respect to y of n is equal to 0. So in this equation we are having derivatives up to second order. So our equation would be f of y minus d dx of fy dash plus d2 by dx2 of fy double dash is equal to 0. So let us solve this equation. So in our case this is f. So the derivative of this f with respect to y, partially with respect to y, would be 720 x square minus d dx of partial derivative of this f with respect to y dashed would be 0 plus d2 by dx2 partial derivative of this f with respect to y double dash would be minus 2y double dash, right, is equal to 0. So let us simplify this. We have 720 x square minus 2. Here the we have to differentiate y double dash 2 times. So we'll have y to the power minus 4 is equal to 0, or we can write it as 360 x square. We can write it as y power 4 the fourth derivative of y minus 360 x square is equal to 0. So we have to solve this ordinary differential equation. So we have to integrate it. So we can write it as y power fourth derivative of y is equal to 360 x square. Let us integrate this. We have y third derivative of y is equivalent to 360 x cube by cube x cube by 3 plus a, where a is the constant of integration. So it would simply be 120, right? So let us integrate again. We have the second derivative of y is equivalent to 120 x power 4 divided by 4 plus ax plus b. B is another constant of integration, so it would be 30. So let us integrate once more. So we have first derivative of y is equivalent to 30 x power 5 by 5 plus ax square by 2 plus bx plus c. Let us integrate once more. So we will have y, so it would be 6, right? So we have 6 x power 6 by 6 plus ax cube by 6 plus bx square by 2 plus c plus cx plus t. We are simply integrating again and again. So this would be our y, right? So on looking at this y, we can see that y power x power 6 is appearing in this y. So let us see at our options. Accordingly, this cannot be the solution, this cannot be the solution, because the maximum power of x here is 5 and in this case it is also 5. So these cannot be the solution. Out of these two we have to suggest what is the solution. So let us look at the boundaries. let us substitute this. So our y is this one, so let us call it star. Now we'll substitute one by one the conditions. We are given y at 0 is equal to 0, so let us substitute it this in here. We have d is equal to 0, and this is y dash, right? And another condition we have y dash of 0 is equal to 0. So if we substituted this would be 0, this would be 0, this would be 0, this would be 0. So we are left with c is equal to 0. So this condition would give c is equal to 0. So our y becomes x power 6 plus a x cube by 6 plus b x square by 2, right? And y dash would be 6x power 5 plus a x square by 2 plus bx. So we are left with these two equations. Now again, in this case we are having 4 boundary conditions, because the maximum derivative here is the order of 2. So correspondingly we have 4 boundary conditions. So let us use these conditions. Y at 1 is 0 and y dash at 1 is equal to 6. Let us apply these. So the condition here is y at 1 is 0. So let us substitute this here. We would have 0 is equivalent to 1 plus a by 6 plus b by 2, and if we substitute y dash at 1 is equal to 6, so we would be having 6 is equivalent to, I am substituting this here, so 6 would be equal to 6 plus a by 2 plus b. I am substituting 1 in place of x and 6 in place of y dash. So this is the equation. Solving these two, what I get is, I get a is equal to 12 and b equal to minus 6. Therefore my y would become let us put these values in this, x power 6, a is 12, so I have 2x cube, b is minus 6, so I have minus 3x square, c is 0 and d is 0. So y is this x power 6 plus 2x cube minus 3x square. Let's match which of the given options is correct. So A is the correct option. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share this video.